What's up, mobile traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. I have also placed my areas for the possible head and shoulder pattern. If the price, let's say, won't continue to push down and reverse from here, for that I'm also prepared. But for that, price needs to hit my termination zone right here. If it doesn't, if it rejects from here, then exactly I've just mentioned, I'm going to go short with my condition. If it doesn't, let's say we have no condition, price just shoots up, hit my rejection box. In that case, we're going to start to prepare ourselves for the possible head and shoulder pattern. And for that, I'll keep you guys informed in my upcoming videos. Nice one. So as you can see, as mentioned yesterday, that if the price push up and I have my eyes on this pattern, the head of this pattern has been completed by hitting my termination zone right up there. My next step is a pullback to my termination zone right down here in red. Once I see a pullback, as you can see, the pullback has been started. If the price pushes down, very important, the price must hit my termination zone right at this box. As you can see, the numbers in blue is my termination zone. Once the price hit my box and forms a bullish engulfing pattern exactly like this. If we have that, in that case, we'll have a very strong buy signal. If a price forms a pin bar or 382 candle like this, that will be still a buy signal but weak entry condition. Bullish engulfer will be a strongest entry if we have that in this termination box. So as you can see, the price did form head of this pattern, left shoulder, or we are waiting for the right shoulder. Once we have that, followed by entry condition, we are good to go long. And let's say the price won't make it to this level and pull back above 50 EMA, forms bullish engulfing pattern. In that case, we can still expect one ATR bounce, a weakest entry but still be a valid entry. A good entry will be break above these highs, and then we can start to look for the reversal and the price will likely to push higher. So this could be a reversal pattern right here on nat gas. If we have a valid condition here with the right entry pattern, in that case we are good to go long. I'll keep my stop loss below this pattern and take profit. I'll go 1-to-1. Initially, one ATR targets can be set as well if you want to use multiple targets. Here on Oanda, we have a condition as well. The price at the termination zone right here. All I'm waiting for the price to come down in my rejection zone. And termination zone 2, which is 1.915, goes up to 1.998. An area from where if I see a condition like bullish engulfers or a pin bars, if we have that, we are good to go long. Bullish engulfers will be the strongest entry condition if we have that. So that is entry number 2. I'll keep my stop loss below. And initial targets will be till this rejection zone. We have a less aggressive entry trigger that will be a break of this pattern. Once the price hit this zone, break of this pattern will be a less aggressive entry, which I'm going to inform you in my upcoming videos. So wait and see how the pattern form. Otherwise, if we have a pullback above 50 EMA, have a clear pullback entry and a valid pullback entry bullish. In that case, we are good to go long from here. So wait and see how the price action form the condition. Once we have the condition, we are good to go for our trades. Here on Nymex, we did not have a completion of right shoulder and hit of termination zone. So once the price hit my termination zone, only then I'll start to look for my head and shoulder pattern bullish here on Nymex platform. But I'm still looking for an entries on capital.com and Oanda. And we just recently took an entry on capital.com, as that is also one of my tested data. So if we have that, an entry there, we're going to go long. But here on this platform, I'm just waiting for the price to form, hit this termination zone, and then pull back to my next termination zone from where I'm going to start to look for my next possible trade. So not selling at this point, as now we are above 50 and 20 EMA. Sell trades will only happen once we are completely broken below 50 and 20 EMA and possibly this low as well. Let's see how it goes. If the pattern forms, only then we're going to start to look for buy trades. Otherwise, if the price breaks above, let's say we have no pattern here and prices break above this high, in that case, we have a very strong signal that price will reverse from here. We have gold. As you can see, the gold has just formed this breakout triangle pattern. So at this point, as we are below 50 and 20 EMA, so for me, breakout below and close below will be an entry confirmation. Stop loss can be below this pattern and take profit can be 1 ATR initially. And then you can manage it. That's totally up to you. That is an aggressive entry with a breakout of this pattern. The less aggressive entry will be again break of this low, then a pullback and a bearish engulfer and keep on taking shots. With a valid entry condition, a keep on taking shots doesn't mean that you keep on holding your shots. Once we have a condition, we have a pullback, bearish engulfer, we're going to take our trades, exit, then wait for another pullback, bearish engulfer, exit, and right here, this is an area from where I want to enter my buy trades. Now, if you're someone who wants to manage it, it's totally up to you by moving a stop loss to break even till this zone if you have a breakout below. Now, we are also looking at the breakout above. If we are broken above this pattern, then the price will likely push up from here as well. and then we're going to also start to look for the pullback entry bullish. Exactly the same on silver right here, symmetrical triangle pattern, and as you can see we're below 50 EMA. So with that, if we are broken and close below, the price will likely fall to the level of support below, which is right here, a good level, which is 25.39 goes to 26.27, from where we'll be looking to enter buy trades with a condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry confirmations. Wait and see how it goes. Break and close. Close is very important. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. If broke above, then I've still not go for long trade. For gold is different, because if you have broken above 50 and 20 EMA, in that case that would be a strong signal. But for silver, if the price breaks above, that might just push up to 50 EMA, that's it, but that would be enough to hit your targets. But for me, I will be comfortable to enter sell trades if we have a break below this pattern. But if you are broken above, then I'll still be looking for bearish pullback entries below 50 EMA. So buy from here or buy if you are broken above 50 EMA. Next up, we have crude oil. So as you can see, the price did push up to the anchor level. Now it is an important area as we are just approaching 50 EMA as well. So if we have a next candle as a bearish engulfing candle, that would be a valid sell signal, must be a valid bearish engulfer. If we have that, we are good to go short using 180 of the targets and not buying until we are broken above 50 EMA. Let's say we have no condition here, price just dramatically broke above 50 EMA. In that case, I'll start to look for my buying trades only. For now, I'm still looking for bearish trades. If we have a bearish engulfer only, then I'm gonna go short for crude oil. Last one, we have US cocoa. Now this was a trade that we have set in the live session that nicely pushed up, and this was also mentioned in my YouTube video, my last video where I posted US cocoa analysis. Now as you can see, it nicely bounced up from here, almost hitting the target. So for now, if we are broken above with a good momentum, look for pullback and pullback entry bullish. So only bullish trades for this one once we are broken above with good momentum above 50 EMA and with the pullback, and keep on taking longs. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.